my other session, and I've got a few of them set up. I'll talk about the last one that I did. So I just told it to create a Sandbox IDE prototype. And this is similar to something that we've talked about before. You can see is scrolling through my session. The screen does blink a little bit, I noticed, as you're working with it, which is not great. And sometimes you won't actually see the things on the bottom until you scroll a bit. I'm not sure if you noticed that. It scrolled down all the way, but it sort of missed the artifacts. There are a couple bugs with the GUI. It's a brand new tool. And as far as I can tell, Claude Code was actually used to vibe code this tool. So it's something that was built entirely from LLMs. There might be some rough edges because it's early days. Regardless, one of the things you can do here is open in Google Chrome. I will not do that, but what I could do is actually just open this in the tab, which I'll do now. Now, on the right-hand side, that you can see that it's got Claude and Chrome turned on, as well as web search for the session, just because I was doing a lot of web research in order to get it. Now, there is only one HTML file, which we're going to open up here, and I'll see if I can make this a little bit bigger. So all I was saying is like, hey, find an operating system that's got a license that's acceptable to what we're doing. I happen to know it's OmniOS CE is what we want. And then let's talk about ways that we could run Linux on essentially what could be Solera. So I thought this was pretty good. It had to do a lot of research in order to get here. The design is pretty good. And I thought the actual layout is not bad either. Now, again, there's a bit of that gradient going on that I think you and I will talk about. That the SaaS vendor sort of color scheme is certainly happening. And it almost looks like not Bootstrap, not Tailwind, but something in between. A lot of these vibe coded apps have a similar sort of look. And Claude Code and Claude itself in particular tends to make sites that look like this. But that's all right. I thought this was okay. It did a lot of research in order to get here.